We recently unboxed a Pioneer DDJ Flex 10 and loaded it in a new Odyssey flight case for a customer. Check out the amazing build quality of this flight case with secure butterfly latches and glide-style laptop shelf. The DDJ Flex 10 is a 4-channel performance DJ controller for Rekordbox and Serato DJ Pro. It includes brand new features such as track separation for innovative performances, including live mashups, expanded on jog display, new mix point link for seamless transitions, and DMX output for Rekordbox lighting. This Odyssey case fits like a glove and is great for taking your DJ controller on the road. This quick lock stand is also very solid and convenient. At Canal Sound and Light in New York City, customer satisfaction is guaranteed.